How to remove followers on Poshmark. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can remove some followers here on Poshmark.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand this tutorial. Basically, there's not a button here in Poshmark.com to make that people to let unfollow you, okay? So what I recommend you to do is go into the profile of any person you want to make that unfollow or to remove the follower. And here in this profile, in the right part, there are three dots. So you must click on it and you must block this user. In that way, you're not going to check or see any posts or content from this person. And also that person is not going to have the opportunity to follow you again. Okay, so in this way you're gonna remove this follower. You just have to block the user, and that's how you can remove followers on Poshmark. Remember to confirm that you want to block this user. Click on yes, this user has been blocked. And this is everything. Thanks for watching.